2, 1, ignition, and liftoff of Starlink 7-6. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
On October 29, 2023, SpaceX has just achieved another remarkable milestone by successfully launching 22 state-of-the-art Starlink satellites from California, marking the first of 2 launches scheduled for the day. The Starlink project, driven by SpaceX, is aimed at transforming connectivity in remote areas through a vast network of compact satellites. This launch was a significant moment in the Starlink project, as it represented the inaugural mission for a Falcon 9 rocket carrying 22 of the new generation Starlink satellites. These upgraded satellites are not only smaller but also lighter than their predecessors. While SpaceX has kept the exact details of how they managed to fit more satellites on the rocket under wraps, there's speculation that it may be attributed to enhanced rocket performance or a reduction in satellite weight. In an extraordinary feat, the Falcon 9 booster responsible for this historic launch had already completed 7 successful flights and landings. It gracefully touched down on a drone ship in the vast Pacific Ocean, establishing a new record for the fastest turnaround time between 2 flights, a mere 34 days. However, it's important to note that SpaceX's second scheduled launch for the day was unfortunately scrubbed, citing unforeseen technical issues. The company's commitment to safety and precision takes precedence, and they will be rescheduling the launch when conditions permit. SpaceX continues to amaze with its record-breaking achievements this year, maintaining an average cadence of 1 launch every 4 days. As if that wasn't exciting enough, the company has also unveiled ambitious plans to pioneer Mars colonization, offer lunar tourism experiences, and transport astronauts to the International Space Station. In this era of unprecedented innovation, SpaceX stands out as one of the most dynamic and inspiring companies globally. The anticipation is palpable as we eagerly await their next groundbreaking endeavors. Keep an eye out for more updates on SpaceX and other captivating news from the world of celebrities. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next episode.